Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we need to do December's budget. I guess it could just be extra, or I could consider it Brandon. It really doesn't matter, I suppose. He got paid today for unused PTO, like it said. I paid electric yesterday because it was due today. $106.91, I think is what it said. Yeah, cool. YouTube TV. I'm just gonna go ahead and say this is gonna be paid today. Okay, and for leftover, it had 42, 42, 69. I know that was a crazy number, but I remembered it. Wow. I'm gonna put this 2,500. I mean, I guess I should put it more because he did get the bonus, so it'd be at least 3,000 because it was a $400 bonus. We'll do that. Hush. We made, let's see, it was 428, I think. 428. 623 in interest. No, what did I do? I think I clicked the wrong button. Okay. Yeah, 623. I was trying to add that in. Click the dang add down there. I should have backed this up too for November, but I didn't. Okay, so groceries, we're gonna go back to 600. Restaurants, household fun. I'm supposed to get a bonus too on the 12th. Like I said, I guess I could put that in extra or just put it in mine so I know, even though I can write a memo where it came from. But I'll just put it here. It should be somewhere, I think, around $700 after taxes. Not due until the 5th. I don't know how much this is going to be yet. Maybe a little more. think I did maybe a little bit more laundry, and I left the water running a couple nights. It was cold. Can go back down to 200, I think. I think I only actually, maybe that's where it was different. It's because I didn't put as much in there as I planned to. That's what it was. We've been getting by with 100. We'll try it again. Okay, so this is zeroed out. This is zeroed out. I'm gonna do 175 to make it 200. It's his yearly, so they're gonna do like all the things. I guess you could say most Christmas gifts have been bought, kind of. I guess, except one. So, let's see. If we spend 50 each, then it'd be 100. Or if we spent like 75 each, it'd be 150. So, 150 minus 85 is 120 and 30 something. Oh, yeah, duh, not even that much. Nice. Okay, 64.87. Cool. Okay, so it shows still a good chunk left. I like. But I also just basically like being a month ahead, if that's what it makes it. I don't know if I just did a thing. Hopefully it didn't charge me to do this, because I haven't noticed it to be over here. But I like it. I like having this thing. So $12.45, but plus cash envelopes. Oh, I put it unspent. Five, 6, 7, 8. So 38 plus 5 plus 6. 44. 4, 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay, well, it's close. Okay, so this is now wrong. I don't really know. Like I said, I should know how to change it. Original balance, target amount. Yeah, that's yeah. I don't know how to. I mean, I can click on it, I guess, and delete it out. But I'll just wait for January and start completely from wherever we are in January. New year, new setup. So it's fine for now. It doesn't hurt anything. Okay. So technically, I guess I know what that showed that was left over. Okay, so I'm gonna do some math real quick. I'm not like real sure on this, but I mean, I like this number. It's pretty cool. But anyways, so 4,073.75 is kind of like what I come up with that's left. Because I took and added back in the expenses of today. So I added back in. This hasn't come out yet. It doesn't even show pending. This shows pending because, like I said, I paid it yesterday. This is supposed to come out today. This is pending. That charge from Tuesday is pending. Yesterday's iTunes bill is pending. So yeah, adding back in everything, that's the number that I come up with. So I'm going to say it's more correct than the other one. Yeah. So I think, like I said, most everything is good now, or for a minute anyways. I guess I could go down here. Let's see if there's a spot for it. And there's not. I guess I'll add it in because I might as well. I'm gonna put vacation. And I mean, who doesn't do a little bit of traveling, I guess, for Christmas? And I only have like a minute to put this in. But, there may be a tad bit of money, or there will be, I guess, because if he decides to go. I'm gonna say about 1,200. We'll put that aside for vacation. I mean, like I said, I don't know. That's just kind of like my figuring. Gas, eating out, and hotel. If it has to be that. Without hotel, it should definitely be cheaper. Unless he takes his pickup and not my car. Because the way I have it figured is, I think my car would be cheaper. I don't know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!